This is what I'm calling a glow box, and here's how I made it.
So I got my inspiration from Scott Yang, especially his standby doc. If you didn't already know, he's a great YouTuber making cinematic videos about 3D printing. I just think the design looks so clean and wanted to make something just like it. And then it hit me, it's Christmas soon and I hadn't made anything for my dad. So I made.
I started sketching out how I wanted it to look and the dimensions. And that's the great thing of making your own stuff. You get to choose exactly how you want it to be. I will come back to that in a bit. After that, I hopped into CAD so I can start the modeling process. I modeled up the box in Fusion 360. Then I exported it to Bamboo Studio, enabled support and hit print. Next I made a front display, and my dad is kinda into stocks, so that's what I made. But of course you can make your own design, like some art or text. Then I exported it and started coloring in the black bits of the display. And then hit print.
So this is what I've got. I have already taken out the supports and sanded the box a little bit. So now it's time for assembly. Firstly, we'll need a light strip that I got from AliExpress with adjustable controls. Then we'll route the cable. Then we need to stick it on. Like that. And now it really glows. Then we'll use a hot glue gun. Oh, I'm nervous, bro, if I mess this up.
So I messed it up. And then I needed to remove all the glue residue. And then I tried again. And it worked. So now I'm done, and I honestly couldn't be happier with the end results. This is a piece that I'm proud of, and I can't wait to watch my dad open it up for the first time. This 3D printing project has been lots of fun. So now the only thing left is to pack it up and leave it under the Christmas tree. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas!